Available ang donut.
Allow me to check this. Also, the donut is we have chocolate donut or glazed donut.
Chocolate.
Order Timothy, sige na.
Ako sa
Ha? Sandwich daw.
Bakit ng sandwich?
Sige na.
Um,
Sige na Timothy, yun sa pa.
saan na? Tudlo be. Sana.
Sandwich. All day lunch? Oh, what's that? Sandwich.
Sandwiches.
Miss, can I have your name for yourself?
Timothy.
Timothy.
Available si donut?
Chocolate donut, Miss Mo?
Oo. Donut ka or
Chocolate
sandwich?
donut or glazed donut, Miss?
Chocolate lang.
Chocolate.
And then ham and cheese toast.
Ham and cheese toasty.
Yes.
Say check this, right?
Lagi doon lang.
So you're getting one drink lang, Miss Mo?
Yes po, one drink lang.
Alright, can you proceed on this one?
Drinks ni mo, sir.
Non-fat drinks, nothing non-fat milk, Miss.
Dan coffee.
And then coffee, we have chocolate chip cream or
You order pasta.
Chocolate chip.
strawberry.
Gusto ko chocolate chip.
Cheese in bases. Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Timothy. Thank you, Timothy.